Welcome to Loos & Company's how-to video series demonstrating our LOCOLOC line of hand swagers. In this video we will be demonstrating the proper use of our HC-5010-R battery-powered swaging tool. This tool is capable of swaging 3/32 through 5/16 aluminum and copper oval sleeves. Each of our tools comes in a durable carrying case with 2 lithium-ion batteries and a 1-hour quick charger. Also included is a complete set of instructions to guide you in the proper operation of our battery tool, as well as a detailed parts list should your tool ever need to be repaired. Also included is a go gauge for checking the after swage finished dimension of your fitting. Begin by selecting the proper die set to be used. For this demonstration, we will be using a 1/8 diameter cable and copper oval sleeve. Notice the design of the die set. They are designed with locating tabs. To install the die set properly, loosen the 2 insert screws on top of the jaw head. Then, placing one die squarely into the opening with the tabs facing away from the tool head as shown, being certain that the die is fully seated into the jaw. Tighten the insert screws hand tight only. Repeat this process for the opposite side, paying careful attention that the dies are seated fully with the ears pointed away from the tool. When closing the jaw using the gray button, you will notice an audible clicking sound. When the clicking sound stops, the tool has completed a crimp cycle. This ensures that each compression of the tool is finished, as the jaws will not open until the swage has been completed. Note the warning label on each of our tools. You will want to make sure that you are not using the tool around electrical wires or in an electrical panel, and always wear safety goggles. Loos & Company highly recommends the use of our Felco cable cutters. These cutters are made in Switzerland and are by far the best cable cutters on the market. The V-shaped construction of the blades are designed to compress the individual strands of the cable as you make the cut, so that it gives you a clean cut every time. This allows the operator to quickly put on the desired fitting without any frayed or loose wires. For this demonstration, we will be making a loop. Notice that the cable easily passes through the oval sleeve and can easily be formed into a loop. It's important to note that whenever attaching a fitting of this type that you leave a tail, at least 1 cable diameter protruding from the fitting. This ensures that the cable is compressed over the entire length of the fitting. In this demonstration, we will be compressing a 1/8 inch oval sleeve. Per the instructions provided, only 1 compression is needed. Start your compression by centering the sleeve in the dies. The compression should be spaced evenly over the length of the fitting. Begin pressing the gray trigger, being careful to keep your fingers clear of the moving jaws. After the clicking sound stops, the swage is complete. Depress the black trigger to open the jaw. After each compression, we recommend that you check the finished after swage dimension using the corresponding cavity in the go gauge. The gauge should pass easily over the swaged area. This properly swaged fitting will generate full braking strength on the cable. This concludes our video demonstration. Thank you for watching.